And on the left we have a power button, mute button with 3 different settings, microphones, air blaster microphones, volume button, SIM card tray, microphone, USB Type-C, and speaker. Let me power it on. And there you go, what a beautiful screen. Of course we can change it to a different wallpaper, and we have plenty of beautiful wallpapers. Check them out. There you go. There you go. And there you go. Wow. Very nice, very nice, very nice. About the smartphone itself, settings, about the device, there you go, 5000 mAh battery, 6.74-inch screen, dimension 9000. You can add a 12 extra gigabyte of RAM, front and rear camera, latest Oxygen iOS, Android 13. It all works smooth. It is a smooth experience, 120 Hz screen. Maybe if we change wallpaper for a green one, because the background is red, so we know that we want that contrast. Wow, that screen is amazing. Check out that. Wow, what a screen. Let me show you a little bit of photo samples. Feels very nice in the hand. You don't need a case. That material is very nice. And I think that's all I have. Full review coming soon.